Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Radio Nasha.
शो का नाम है कॉल माई एजेंट बट फॉर राइट नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग आहाना कुमरा. वेलकम टू मेरी 90s की प्लेलिस्ट.
हेलो रोहिणी.
कैसी हो यार? Congratulations, what a fantastic show you've given us. This मतलब just in time for Diwali. Diwali is about lights, festivities, धमाकास, पटाखास and lots of masala. और तुमने मुझे ये सारी चीज दी है शो में. कमाल का शो है. Congratulations.
थैंक यू सो मच. हम लोग को बहुत मजा आया देखकर. मैं तो 2 बार देख लिया है.
2 बार देख लिया और तुमने एक्टिंग भी तो की है इसमें. तुम्हारे किरदार का नाम बताओ.
अमाल अहमद.
Yeah, baby, and you can watch Amal on Netflix as part of Call My Agent Bollywood. ये एक बहुत ही
इसमें
पॉपुलर.
रोहिणी ने भी कैमियो किया है.
मैं भूल ही गई बोलना. इनफैक्ट शो की
हाँ, लाइक तुम अपना नाम नहीं बोल रही हो. तुम्हारा शो भी है रोहिणी.
ओपनिंग सीन में मतलब आई एम अ वन सीन स्पेशलिस्ट.
यू आर ओपनिंग द शो. आई वाज लाइक अरे ये लड़की देखो ओपनिंग में है.
हाय चलो यार आना. दैट मींस दैट वी हैव अ वेरी फन मेरी 90s की प्लेलिस्ट लाइंड अप विद यू दिस मॉर्निंग. पहली बात तो वेलकम टू मेरी 90s की प्लेलिस्ट वेयर वी बेसिकली प्ले योर सॉन्ग्स this morning to Amchi Mumbai on the radio Nasha par. Anyway, we play 70s, 80s, 90s. And हाल ही में, because you had this opportunity to work with Jackie Shroff in the show Call My Agent. मैं जानती तुम्हारी लिस्ट बहुत कमाल है, लेकिन एक जैकी श्रॉफ का गाना होना चाहिए और उसी के साथ हमें शुरुआत करनी चाहिए. क्या बोलती हो?
क्या करे? किसका रखे? राम लखन का रखे?
अरे राम लखन 80s, so I would say like maybe a Rangila from the 90s.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, I completely see. I told you, I think I completely messed up. I think I'm like an old soul. But Rangila for me was one of like the most iconic films. Thanks for reminding me. Oh God, I think Rohini, you're going to like jeopardize my list because I'm just sitting and thinking, I'm like, how did I not include Rangila in my?
No, but आज हम लोग ये साथ में कर रहे हैं. Jackie Shroff, Rangila. Okay, there are 2 songs from Rangila that have Jackie Shroff. एक तो तन्हा जहां पर उर्मिला दौड़ के आती है. ऑलराइट. और दूसरा है हाय रामा व्हिच इज दिस इंटेंस क्रेजी लव मेकिंग सॉन्ग. कौन सा गाना चुनोगी?
I like Hai Rama. I love that song, and I don't think Tanha was a really nice and peppy song that really caught my attention. Right, I think Rangila released हुई थी. I was much younger then, yeah. And but Hai Rama, I've never seen that kind of the way I think the way they've shot the song and the way they've visualized the whole sexual tension between the 2 characters. I mean, I think it's outstanding, and I was a child then, I was like, and I was blown by that song. Blown. Yeah. So I was like, and there Jackie Chan really looks hot. He looks damn hot.
I know. How can you not say that to him? मैंने बोला था जैकी श्रॉफ को इन इस 25 ईयर रियूनियन हमने किया था रंगीला का लास्ट ईयर. तो मैंने कहा था कि ये बहुत ही सेक्सी गाना था. एंड ही सेड सेक्सी नहीं, सेंसुअल. तो मैंने कहा ओह सॉरी.
I have totally imagined this conversation. I've like relived this conversation between you and him.
Sensual था बच्चे. Sensual था. Yeah. Yes दादा, it was. Happy Diwali to everybody by the way. And to you too Anna. क्या प्लान है दिवाली के? कहाँ जा रही हूँ?
मैं पृथ्वी थिएटर में अपना नाटक कर रही हूँ. हम अपने Sir Sarla is happening at Prithvi. Oh, I'll do the shameless, advertisement of my play because हम theater वाले हैं तो हम तो हर जगह अपना प्रचार करते हैं. But we are performing at Prithvi at 7:30 p.m. We're doing a play called Sir Sarla जो मैं पिछले 9 सालों से कर रही हूँ. And coincidentally, we opened the play in 2012 on the day of Diwali, on the night of Diwali.
क्या बात है. तो कौन सी रात को है ये? 4 तारीख को है या 5 तारीख को है? 4 तारीख की रात. और पृथ्वी दिवाली के टाइम पे कितनी सजती है यार. It's one of our favorite.
And I'm very happy. I'm very happy to perform on Diwali night because I feel कि इतने महीनों से I think हम लोगों ने लॉकडाउन से पहले सरसा सरला का जो शो हुआ था, that was the last show after which the theater shut down, and the theater has just reopened, and I was dying to go back on stage, and I cannot believe that. I mean, for me, because it's a Hindu New Year, so for me, like to perform on a New Year night, it's a huge thing for me to go back home and perform.
और 5 तारीख को भी है या सिर्फ 4 को है?
सिर्फ 4 तारीख को है। तो
4
जिसको अपनी कोई दिवाली प्लान ताश पार्टी या नहीं करनी है, प्लीज पृथ्वी थिएटर आ जाइए।
या फिर पहले आओ, प्ले देखो और फिर जाइए ताश पार्टी में। पार्टियां तो चलती रहेंगी।
हाँ, 10 बजे तक खत्म, 9:30 आई प्रॉमिस 9:30।
Well, fantastic. You know, on Meri 90s की playlist, Ahana Kumra is with us this morning, playing us some of her favorite 90s songs. We started with Jackie Shroff and Rangila. लेकिन तुम्हारा second pick कौन सा होगा आज की सुबह, हमें बताओ।
बहुत ही intense और one of my favorite films, Satya.
ओहो।
And I love सपने में।
पहला गाना रंगीला, दूसरा गाना सत्या, कुछ राम गोपाल वर्मा का कनेक्शन लग रहा है मुझे। बिग फैन।
Huge, massive, huge. Like, I think I started when I think I was in college when his films used to come out, you know, and I was very young, and I remember जब मैंने सत्या देखी थी for the first time, I hadn't seen those kind of performances. I think सत्या में जितने भी actors हैं, सारे मेरे favorite हैं. You know, whether it's Max or, you know, whether it was Manoj Bajpayee is like one of my absolute favorites. Chef Ali, who I absolutely love. You know, these are the people, like I see myself like, you know, years down the line and doing the same kind of work that these phenomenal actors have done all their lives. You know, whether to Saurabh Shukla, I just like, what was that cast, yaar? Like, kya cast thi wo? So Sapne Mein Milti Hai is like one of my absolutely favorite song. Absolutely.
है। विशाल भारद्वाज का म्यूजिक, गुलजार साहब के लिरिक्स, मतलब सच्ची सत्या was something else only. मतलब एक कमाल की फिल्म।
Yeah, I think I decided like I wanted to be an actor. When I started watching these films, and Satya was one of my main films that kind of made me feel that, okay, I definitely want to perform as an artist. Like, I definitely want to be an actor.
I did not know that, and I'm so glad I found out today. आहना और मैं एक दूसरे को जानते तो हैं, लेकिन कहते हैं ना कि एक किसी की प्लेलिस्ट में झांक कर देखो, it's like knowing them, you know, because गानों के पीछे हमेशा कहानियां होती है। मुझे हमेशा से पता था आहना that you would be a top 90s fan, लेकिन मुझे आज यकीन हो गया है, and I'm so glad you're on this show because you're picking such fabulous music. You picked Rangila, you picked Satya, और सत्या के बारे में हमने बात की कि कैसे, you know, it was विशाल भारद्वाज first soundtrack. Do you want to go that line? Like, क्या है impressions 90s के तुम्हारे, मुझे बताओ फिल्मों के बारे में।
तो you know, I mean, हम लोग ज्यादातर 90s को रिलेट करते हैं with peppy music, you know, जो क्लब्स में अब बजते हैं रीमिक्स हो कर, क्योंकि अब सारे ही 90s के गाने, मुझे ऐसा लगता है आज के जमाने में लोगों के पास गाने ही नहीं बचे हैं. They are heavily depending on music which was in the 90s, which was so peppy and so cool. I remember every birthday party dancing on those peppy numbers because वही होता था. मैं लखनऊ में थी, and I remember it used to be such a pressure कि बेटा डांस करो, you know, and I remember we used to love it because there was that kind of music which I don't hear that anymore, you know. And I often have this conversation with my parents ki you know, my father, हम लोग कभी-कभी मान लो किसी डिनर से वापस आ रहे होते हैं, and I play music, you know, like I have a massive 90s playlist in my car. So my dad will always be like कि मुझे आजकल के गाने नहीं समझ में आते हैं, क्या गा रहे हैं लोग, क्यों गा रहे हैं लोग, क्या, because गाने इतनी जल्दी आके निकल जाते हैं that it doesn't stay with you. I think the songs क्योंकि उस टाइम रिलीज होती थी, रिलीज के बाद वो फिल्म मतलब 4 हफ्ते चल रही है सिनेमा हॉल में, so you know those things used to last and that's why वो आपके गाने जहन में रहते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि 90s के गानों का जवाब नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं, मतलब there's nothing comes close, nothing.
I'm very very curious to know what's your next track, because ऐसा ही एक गाना या एक फिल्म जो तुम्हें बेहद पसंद हो.
मुझे गुलजार साहब की एक फिल्म है, उसका नाम है माचिस, और बहुत ही फेवरेट फिल्म है. एंड आई रिमेम्बर वाचिंग तब्बू फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम in that film, and I have never seen an actress like her. In fact, for me, she's my greatest inspiration. She's my favorite actress in India, and मुझे वो बहुत पसंद है, मुझे उनका काम बहुत पसंद है. और वो जिस तरह आई थिंक चंद्रचूड़ सिंह ने भी परफॉर्म किया था, या जिमी शेरगिल पहली बार जब मैंने उनको पहली बार देखा था, I think every actor in that film was absolutely, in fact for me that entire playlist, I remember हम लोग को cassettes आते थे ना, वो side A side B, I knew it by heart because I used to love the music, and of course Vishal ji, so you know, Vishal Bhardwaj ka music, and Chappa Chappa Charkha Chale is one of my top favorite songs of 90s. So it's just a song I can't, like everything about that song is beautiful.
यार क्या लिखा है इस गाने को और क्या कंपोज किया है. I just think that you know, it was this beautiful combination जहाँ पर विशाल भारद्वाज and Gulzar साहब दोनों एक साथ आए, and they gave us this, and they did the same thing with Satya, but I think Machis की बात ही कुछ और है. You're right, and I think Tabu, oh my God, like Tabu,
phenomenal.
I just love her. So this is great. Which is your last pick on the playlist today, Ahana? Batao.
I love Mahesh Bhatt's work. I have always been a big fan of his work. I always felt like the films that I used to watch of his were very intense. I think I'm always usually like leaning more towards intense cinema because I just enjoyed watching performances, and I'd probably मैंने realized नहीं किया when I was younger,
yeah,
that you know that's where I'm deriving all my you know inspiration from. And क्योंकि मुझे ज़्यादातर intense काम मिलता है, मुझे बहुत dramatic roles मिलते हैं, you know, and I think I started my career, I don't get comedy very easily. It's very far and few that, you know, that people cast me in lighter roles, but I'm also enjoying, that's a welcome change with Call My Agent. Thankfully, it's like a little lighter. It's fun, it's ferocious, it's confident. But when I started watching Mahesh Bhatt cinema, and I used to be like, how does he manage to get so much intensity between his, you know, two characters, and कि वो कैसे करते हैं ये सारे scenes? I wish I could go back in time and be directed by these directors. You know, this has always been, मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि ये हमेशा मेरी एक अधूरी ख्वाहिश रह जाएगी कि मैं कभी भट्ट साहब या आरजीवी के साथ काम नहीं कर पाई, या मैं यू नो विशाल भारद्वाज, गुलजार साहब मुझे डायरेक्ट नहीं कर पाए. यू नो, आई जस्ट फील कि आई समटाइम्स फील जेलस ऑफ नसीर सर व्हेन ही टेल्स मी हिज एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ बीइंग एबल टू वर्क विद सच fabulous directors that he has worked with. You know, you just sit and listen to his stories and you go like, I'm gaping at him and I'm just like, oh my God, like I'm jealous of you. I'm jealous that I was not born then and I was not like, you know, being able to work with these directors. But one of my favorite.
Never say never, okay?
I know, never say never. So yeah, I'm not saying it. I never knew that Shad and I will ever work together, but yeah, we did.
I mean, साथिया बनाई थी और ये बना रहे हैं आपका Call My Agent. Exactly. All right.
But is Satya 90s film?
Satya's not 90s. It's 2000s.
It's not 90s. That's 2000s. I remember. Yeah. Thank God मैं बच के, वरना शाद मुझे मार डालता. सारी फिल्म के नाम ले लिए, मेरी फिल्म का नाम.
Yeah. So now, अब अगर भट्ट साहब की बात करें तो यार, the one thing about भट्ट साहब is फिल्में तो कमाल की ही थी, लेकिन उनकी फिल्मों का म्यूजिक एक अलग लेवल पर होता था. And that combination, you know, नदीम श्रवण mostly, okay, जहाँ पर वो गाने बनाते थे, but अनु मलिक उन्होंने भी काफी कमाल के गाने दिए भट्ट साहब को. बताइए कौन सा साउंड ट्रैक होगा?
मेरा फेवरेट साउंड ट्रैक भट्ट साहब की फिल्मों में से है तेरे दर पर सनम चले आए, and फिर तेरी कहानी याद आई करके एक फिल्म है उससे, and it had Anu Malik, and it had Rahul Roy and Pooja Bhatt, and I still remember the way they visualized the scenes. The song has been shot like at night and they're staring at the moon, and I was like, oh God, like I still remember that song, and it just got stuck on, you know. I remember like मेरी कोई ऐसी प्लेलिस्ट नहीं है जिसमें ये गाना नहीं बजता है, ये गाना तो बजता ही है.
ये जो
so apart from all the peppy stuff, I like all these really intense songs.
Intense तो है तुम्हारी playlist, but ये असली fans होते हैं. मतलब you know, what I love about your playlist is it's not the obvious, and I think that this is truly one of the most interesting episodes of Merry 90s की playlist, because you have approached this as a fan, and B, somebody who then went on to want to be an actor. And I think वो एक अलग ही playlist है, because चाहे आप रंगीला ले लो, सत्या ले लो, ओके, जिसके बारे में हमने बात की, माचिस ले लो, या फिर यू नो फिर तेरी कहानी याद आई, चारों फिल्मों में एक कॉमन थ्रेड है, which is they were great stories and some intense performances. So I kind of see this pattern. Ahana, मैं समझ गई हूँ थोड़ा सा, मतलब तुम्हें तुम्हारे playlist के
hint hint wink wink. It's like one of those.
But you know what, as you rightly said, it's an absolute pleasure to watch you on Netflix with me, Call My Agent Bollywood, and अभी के लिए of course it's streaming on Netflix. So I'm going to tell all of the fans, अगर आपको आहना की playlist पसंद आई, अगर आपको हमारी बातें पसंद आई, आपको पता है ये बहुत बड़ी 90s की fan है, 90s kids don't go wrong in life. So I just want to say, please watch the show. It's streaming right now. And Ahana, I hope you had a good time, because, you know, as I said, I've known you for a while, lekin aaj, I feel I know you better.
Oh, thank you, Rohini. I'm so glad that you messaged me and told me like, you know, Ahana, we should do this whole playlist, you know, of the 90s. And I was like, it really made me dig my entire playlist. And I was like, how do I pick four? for. Like I love Bombay because I love Mani Ratnam. I love Roja, one of my favorites. You know, like whether any song of Roja plays, and I'm like, I just get so happy while driving. I think I'm grooving to them while the others are just like, what's wrong with her? You're on a car. Because
we'll have to come back and do a part 2. Okay,
I think so. Yes, part 2 is required. Sorry, but I have to.
And I will look forward to that. But Ahana, all the best, and thank you so much for being such a fantastic actor that you are.
Thank you, Rohini, and congratulations to you too.
Thank you. I wish you a happy and bright Diwali. Bye-bye.
Happy Diwali, everybody. Bye.
Radio Nasha.